Hi everyone, welcome to Conceptual Thinkers Talk Primary Maths Concept with Teacher Ben. Now remember to subscribe to our YouTube channel Conceptual Thinkers and follow us on our Facebook Conceptual Thinkers Mathematics and English Hub to get a notification of our latest video. So for today, we will be looking at ACS Junior Prelim 2021 Paper 2 Question 5. So let's start by interpreting the question. At the sale, a shop was offering a 20% discount for a pair of shoes. Customer can purchase a second pair of shoes at 50% discount. Scott paid $156 for two identical pairs of shoes. How much did each pair of shoes cost before the discount? So what we need to do is to identify the key phrases of the question. So the key phrases are 20% discount for a pair of shoes. Then second pair will be at a 50% discount. And Scott paid $156 for two identical pairs of shoes. So we need to find what is the cost of one pair of shoes before discount. So next we need to identify the concept. So to do that, first we need to identify the key phrases, then we link it to our concept. In this case, we are talking about percentage discount concept. So first pair of shoe, we need to calculate taking 100% minus away 20%, then we will get 80%. So that means that Scott actually paid 80% out of the original price for the first pair of shoe. For the second pair of shoe, will be 50% because the second pair of shoe will be at 50% discount. So this will be the information that we have for this question. So that's why we link it to percentage discount concept. Next, we need to implement basically doing out the steps. So first, we calculate what is the total percentage paid. So by taking 80%, which is the cost of the first pair of shoe, plus 50%, which is the second pair of shoe, and we'll get a total of 130%. So the total amount paid after discount is $156 based on the question. So we know that 130% will give $156. Now be careful, please use arrow to represent, okay, instead of using an equal sign. Because if you use an equal sign, 130% is actually equal to 1.3 instead of 156. So please be careful and take note on the presentation, okay, for percentage. So we can calculate 1%. So how we do that? We just take this and divide by 130. Okay, you can do it with your calculator because this is a paper 2 question. Then to find the original cost, we just need to find 100%. So that will give $120. Okay, now the next step we're going to do is to inspect or check our steps, right? Okay, so what we can do here is, because I didn't put it into a slide, so I'm going to explain to you here how we can go about doing it. Now, we know that the original price is $120, so we can actually do some calculation. So what we can do is we can take 80%. If we multiply by $120, so what we're going to get, and we also can calculate if we take 50%. If we multiply by $120, which is the original price, so what will be the value that we're going to get? So let's say that I'm going to do a calculation for that. So I will take 120 times 80%. So I will get $96 for the first pair of shoe. Then I will get $60 here. Basically, I'm taking 120 divided by 2. Now, if you do an addition of these two pairs, you'll notice that you'll get $156, which match to this value that Scott is actually paying. So which means that my $120 is actually a correct answer. So this is one way that you can actually do inspection, which is a checking of your answer, whether it making sense with the information that you get from the question. Okay, so not only that, when we do our inspection, you also need to check whether you interpret the question correctly. So look at the question again, don't just looking at your steps only. Next, do you make any transfer error? Do you actually use a wrong number? For example, you see 10 but you write 20. So that is something that is important to look at. And if you have made any calculation error, so you can try to punch your calculator again to see whether is all the calculation making sense to you. Okay, so that's the end of our presentation. So if you don't forget to follow us and subscribe to our YouTube channel, Conceptual Thinkers, and also our Facebook, Conceptual Thinkers, Mathematics and English Hub. Now, if you have any question, you can just share with us, or you can comment below to let us know if there's any question that you want us to actually present into videos. Okay, so we will try our best to do out the video so that we can explain the question clearly to you. Okay, so that's all. So I will see you in the next video. Bye bye.